7. Anti-aging foods. You must eat. Aging is an inevitable part of life, but did you know that your diet can significantly influence how gracefully you age? While the quest for eternal youth is a tale as old as time, science has shown that certain foods can help slow down the signs of aging and keep you looking and feeling your best. Anti-aging foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and essential nutrients that combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy skin, hair, and overall vitality. In this article, we'll explore 7 anti-aging superfoods that can become your secret weapons in maintaining youthful energy, glowing skin, and robust health. By incorporating these into your diet, you're not just eating for nourishment, but also investing in a vibrant, age-defying future. 1. Blueberries. Tiny berries, mighty benefits. Blueberries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals contribute to aging by causing oxidative stress, which can lead to wrinkles, dull skin, and chronic diseases. 1. Benefits. Improves skin elasticity. It enhances brain function and reduces the risk of memory decline. Supports heart health. Add blueberries to your smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for a delicious and healthy treat that fights aging at its core. 2. Fatty fish. Omega-3 for skin and joints. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining youthful skin and reducing inflammation. Omega-3s also keep your cell membranes healthy, ensuring they retain moisture, leading to plumper, more hydrated skin. On benefits, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, supports joint health and flexibility, promotes cardiovascular health. To reap the anti-aging benefits, aim to include fatty fish in your meals 2 to 3 times a week. 3. Spinach. The green fountain of youth. Leafy greens like spinach are loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as lutein, which helps maintain skin health and elasticity. Spinach is also a rich source of iron, supporting healthy blood circulation, which contributes to a natural glow. 1 benefits boosts collagen production, protects skin from sun damage, reduces signs of aging with its high antioxidant content. Spinach can be added to salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish to complement your meals. 4. Nuts. Nature's anti-aging. Snack almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts are packed with vitamin E, healthy fats, and selenium, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. These nutrients help protect against UV damage, preserve skin elasticity, and support overall health. 1 benefits, reduces dryness and enhances skin's natural glow, promotes healthy hair growth, protects against age-related cognitive decline. Snack on a handful of mixed nuts or sprinkle them over your salads for a crunchy, nutrient-packed addition to your diet. 5. Avocado. The creamy skin-saver avocado is a superfood that boasts healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to youthful, hydrated skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce redness and puffiness, leaving you with a natural, dewy complexion. 1. Benefits. Improves skin elasticity and hydration, and provides essential nutrients like potassium and magnesium, and reduces inflammation in the body. Enjoy avocado as a spread on whole grain toast, in guacamole, or as a topping for salads and bowls. 6. Green tea. A cup of anti-aging power. Green tea is well known for its antioxidant-rich profile, particularly its high concentration of catechins, which fight oxidative stress and reduce the signs of aging. Green tea also contains compounds that promote DNA repair and protect against sun damage. 1. Benefits. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles, detoxifies the skin and body, supports weight management and heart health. Incorporate green tea into your daily routine by enjoying 1 to 3 cups a day, either hot or iced. 7. Sweet potatoes. Nature's glow. Booster sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for skin regeneration and repair. They also contain vitamin C, which helps boost collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. 1 benefits brightens dull skin and supports healthy vision, and provides long-lasting energy without spiking blood sugar levels. Roast, mash, or bake sweet potatoes for a delicious anti-aging side dish. The science behind anti-aging foods. The common thread among these anti-aging foods is their ability to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two primary contributors to premature aging. By including a variety of these nutrient-dense foods in your diet, you're equipping your body with the tools it needs to repair damage, protect against environmental stressors, and maintain overall vitality. Practical tips for incorporating anti-aging foods. 1. Plan your meals. Include at least 2 anti-aging foods in each meal for maximum benefits. 2. Experiment with recipes. Try new ways to cook or prepare these foods to keep your diet exciting. 3. Stay consistent. Regular consumption is key to seeing noticeable results over time. Conclusion: aging is a natural process, but the way you nourish your body can make a world of difference in how you look and feel. By incorporating these 7 anti-aging foods into your diet, you're not just improving your skin's appearance, but also enhancing your overall health and longevity. Blueberries, fatty fish, spinach, nuts, avocado, green tea, and sweet potatoes are more than just delicious additions to your meals. They're your allies in the fight against aging. Embrace the power of these superfoods to feel vibrant, confident, and youthful at any age. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes to your diet and lifestyle. Start today and let the journey to a healthier, more radiant you begin.